of that. Okay, fine. So, as you said, since last 2 months you've started your English journey. So, but I have seen that this is your first session of your demo that you've
Yeah,
taken. So,
yeah.
what did you do before 2 months?
After demo, I have my first session today. And before appearing you, there was a Madhav sir that my session was with him, sorry, but he is not available at 3 p.m. Today 3 p.m. So I have to cut the session and book another session with you.
Okay, cancel the session and book another session. Okay, fine, no problem. Great. Okay, so Monica, as you said, you are also a YouTuber. So, what all content do you post on YouTube?
I most of the time I'm post my English language related to grammar portion, related English literature. As I told you that I have masters in English literature, and I liked so much poetry like Shakespeare, Milton, and so many poets are there. I liked so regarding BA and MA post graduation, which students are interested to learn in and give something related to their syllabus na. I actually uploaded this type of things like poetry, Shakespeare poetry, John Milton's poetry, most of the time, and language content
Mhm.
also.
Wow, that's great. So you give the poetry and then you explain them,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
In the YouTube
Full
shorts.
explanation I
Mhm.
uploaded.
Good, good, good. So what about the subscribers? Do they enjoy your content? What all comments do you get from them?
Yes. Actually, I haven't not enough subscriber. Only 30 subscribers are there. I don't know what happens with the YouTube algorithm. I really don't know, but I try my best because only 2 months ago I started, so I would not take some fine response from the YouTube, and but I will try my best daily. Whether the result is it, I accepted.
Okay, so as you told me, Monica, that I don't know about the algorithm. So as you also told me that I am not consistent in posting. So that can be one of the reason that YouTube is not promoting your videos to the audience, and as a result of which you may be having less amount of subscribers, right?
Yes. Yes, I agree with your point, ma'am. Because now there actually I live in joint family, so there are this is actually not the excuse. It is the reality when you have two kids and there are so many responsibilities on your shoulders. So that's why this is the reason, or actually. But before a month, 1 week ago, I will upload it daily, and I have been uploading my videos daily last 1 week. So
Good. Good.
actually, yes.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, wonderful. So, besides giving the home tuitions, have you ever also tried in some schools as a teacher, or you are just a home
Actually, I
tutor?
haven't tried in any school because some personal reasons. But in February month, I will try. I will try in KBS and other public schools also, because this is my passion. Teaching different people, different students, and learning something new skills. This is my passion.
Very nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, great. So, another important thing, Monica, as today is the first session, let's discuss about your favorite things that we basically have so that I can know more about you. Okay, so favoritism is the topic that we will be discussing today. Now, as far as the favoritism is concerned, which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Italy and dosa.
Okay.
Yeah, South
So, are
South
you able to
Indian food.
prepare it very well?
Pardon?
South Indian food. Right, right, right. Are you able to prepare it also very well?
Yes, I interest also in cooking as well. Teaching as well as
Mm.
cooking is my also a passion, because daily my kids demanding
Mm.
that mama please prepare that dishes, and some idli, some like na, some fried rice, or like dosa, like pav
Mhm.
bhaji. So many things are there. So my kids demanding every day. Nowadays,
Right.
now
Wow,
winter
that's nice.
vacation,
So
yeah.
as you mentioned, right. Wonderful. So Monica, you mentioned that you live in a joint family. So are you able to manage, see, in the joint family, obviously you have to cook more because more number of people are there. So are you happily cooking for all of them?
Yes, actually, I have joint family, so there are included kids, 10 members in my family, actually. And this is the turn of my family when I am a bigger mother. Actually, कह सकते हैं ना कि I am in a sister-in-law, a big daughter-in-law. Sorry, big daughter-in-law in my
Okay.
family, and second one is also, so there are two daughter-in-law my mother-in-law have. So turn wise we have to cook. Yes,
Wow, that's nice. That's really good, actually.
yes,
Otherwise, you
yes,
know what happens? Then the fights occur that I am doing everything, you are not doing everything. If you have turns, everything is well balanced, right?
yes, yes.
Comparatively.
And it is well managed also. There is no
Nice,
disturbance.
nice.
You in the spare of time in the morning, if your turn is not for cooking, so you get a chance to improve yourself,
Mhm.
to improve some another skills, learning another
Yes,
things also. This is good.
very good. Yes, you utilize that time for something else, something productive,
Yes,
right?
yes. This is my spare time, and this is the free time for me. So I usually I actually utilize my this time for learning skills.
Wow, that's nice. And who is your favorite? I mean, which is your favorite book? As you said, you are an avid reader. You like to read Shakespeare's, Milton, and all. So far, which is the favorite book that you have read?
Actually, I have read recently 6 months ago. I have cracked the exam, which is a government exam, PGT level, English literature. From for that exam, for cracking that exam, I have to learn so many books regarding Shakespeare and Milton and all that poets. So one of my favorite poets is actually John Milton, one of one of my favorite poets. So I think this is matlab, he is a renowned poet of English literature, and he had a lot of he had done a lot of things and lot of great works for the literature, for literature. So
Mhm.
this is my favorite book also.
Mhm.
John Milton
Okay.
has written a book also for
Mhm.
that book's name is also John Milton's biography.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. So, any favorite poem of yours that you really like to read again and again, and it's very near to your heart?
Mm. Recently, actually I read. I didn't. I'm not so much fond of reading books actually, because whenever I get time, I read. I love to read 1 or 2 pages. Uh, Not
Mhm.
then more pages, because I feel actually sometimes I feel boring. So that's why there is no any favorite poem of mine.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, no problem. Fine, fine. Great. Okay, so that is your favorite. Basically, you like to read about the Miltons. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. He is a renowned actor in film industries also. Yeah.
Right. Right. And any of his favorite movie which you really adored a lot and you really liked to watch it again and again, like binge watching.
My favorite movie was actually released before last and previous year. That was Jawan. It is based on a very good script, and there is a renowned actually actor Shah Rukh Khan. That's why I actually I feel like to watch again and again. Jawan movies were my favorite movies of, yeah.
Very nice. Nice, Monica. Okay. What about your favorite sports person?
Sports person, if I talk about Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is my favorite cricketer.
Mhm. Right, right, right. And have you watched the movie which was based on his life, MS Dhoni?
Mm, not, not yet. But
Okay,
I heard about Dhoni's movie, but didn't get chance to watch the movie. Yeah.
okay, nice, nice, nice. So, what are the genre of movies that you really like to see and watch?
Pardon, please.
Genre of movies means what are the type of movies that you like to watch, like romantic, suspense, thriller, comedy, horror?
Okay, okay, okay.
What type of movies do you like to?
Actually, if I talk about watching movies, I most of the time I like no actually romantic movie and some action thriller also little bit in that movie. So
Mm.
I feel like to watch this type of movie, romantic as well as some action
Action.
thriller. Yeah,
Nice, nice, nice. Romantic movies. That is why SRK is favorite of yours, right?
yeah. Yeah, that's why Sarge is my favorite because so many movies of
Right.
that actor. Well, he has been working since so many years, so I think he's my favorite. And overall India, a lot of fans of Shah Rukh Khan's actually.
Right. Wonderful, wonderful. What about your favorite color, ma'am?
Actually, my favorite color is yellow.
Oh, great. Nice, nice, nice. Why? Why do you like yellow color?
Because whenever I wear a yellow suit and yellow sari, I feel like so much energetic and a blossoms of the flower around me, and I have feel so much energetic to work, and
Mm-hmm.
I feel that it is suited me a lot in my personality.
Mm-hmm.
Today
Wow,
I
wow,
wear
that's nice.
today
That's
I
nice.
also wear yellow suit.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's really great. Wonderful. So whenever you go for shopping, are you always attracted towards the yellow color?
Yes, definitely. So many my friend circle also tell me that yellow color suited to you. So it's a plus point for me as well. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice, nice. It's absolutely, because sun is also yellow in color. It gives you energy. So as you feel that, yes, whenever I'm wearing the yellow color, it energizes me, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Ma'am, may I ask you one
What
question?
about? Yeah, yeah. Please, please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Ma'am, whenever we talk any, just for example, I am talking to you at this time. So, sometime I feel get nervous in front of a tutor or expertise. So, how can I remove my hesitation? Do
Right,
you
right.
please
Yes,
give me
I'll just
some
say.
suggestions?
Monica, just give me 1 minute, dear. There's somebody at the door. I'll just open the door and come back.
Yeah,
Just give
yeah,
me
yeah,
one
yeah.
second. Yeah, yeah, please. I'll just get back.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, dear. Yes. So as you said that whenever you are talking to an expertise, you basically feel anxious about it or nervous about it. See, let me tell you one thing, Monica. Everybody, whenever they are meeting the person who are actually expert in something or seniors to them, okay, seniors means not as far as the age level is concerned, but as far as the experience is concerned, it is natural that you become anxious, you become nervous. Once you develop good rapport, slowly and gradually that nervousness will go away. So, most importantly, you should have full faith on yourself. Self confidence is one of the most important tool which everybody should have.
Yes.
Okay, if you start a session and if you feel that no, today Madhav sir will be there and I'm really feeling very much nervous in front of him because he's such a wonderful tutor and he's a very senior most person to me, so you will never be able to overcome this fear. So
Yes.
just relax, Breathing also will help you very much, right?
Yes, yes.
And just see, we are friends here. We are not your seniors or like teachers in the school. We've been here just to help you out in your minor errors that you make in your communication skill and to come out with the flying colors. That is the only thing. That is why, we are discussing the things related to us and our life. We're not having some curriculum which was there in the school that let's learn this particular part of speech like tenses or adverbs or such thing. Grammar will be taken care of as and when as we are speaking. Most important is come out with your thoughts. Don't think what if I make mistake. Don't think what would my tutor feel when I'm making mistake. It's absolutely fine. We are here to make mistakes and rectify our mistakes. Then only we will learn, right? And nobody's expert in everything. Nobody's 100% expert in everything.
Right.
We all are in the learning phase. We also learn everything. I also read the content, sometimes watch the videos which is related to my niche. So even I'm learning the things every day. Even I'm enhancing my vocabulary by reading the content. So we all are in the learning phase. So don't feel that what if I will not be able to speak in front of them.
Yes.
Just relax as if we are talking to a friend.
Yes,
Got
because
it?
I had been teaching since 2014 before marriage. My life
Yeah.
is going on very smoothly after, but after getting married, now so many things are changed. Your life has been changed
Yeah.
fully. So
Mm.
you have a matlab, scarcity of time. I think
Right.
so. There are so many responsibilities of your shoulders. So like now,
Yeah.
after getting
Right.
married, so many changes are there in women's life
Absolutely.
actually.
Yeah, true,
So
true, true.
that's
It's
why.
not only in your life, Monica, it's not only in your life, everybody's life, even in my life. First, when we were at our parents' house, we had leisure time, free time. We did not have any tensions to go into the kitchen and cook. In fact, I was not knowing anything when I went to my in laws. It was my mother in law who taught me everything. I was not even knowing how to, make an omelette. Let me tell you that. But she was very much fine with me. She said, so, okay. I said, see, I'm just an open book. Nothing is written on my book. Now you have to make me write. And she helped me out, and now I can cook very well. So it's absolutely fine. Everybody's life changes because totally different people, different atmosphere, different environment, and we have to adapt to them, right?
Yes.
Similarly, the case is over here also. English Yari is a platform where you come and you adapt yourself. Just
Yes.
enjoy. Come with full energy and enthusiasm. Share all your thoughts, whatever you have over here.
Yes, that's why, ma'am, I have joined English Yari because I can improve my skills, I can improve my body language and everything. It is, matlab, I think it is perfect for me, this platform. So that's why I have joined. Yes, yes. So this is
Right.
right
Wonderful,
way for
wonderful.
me.
Great, great,
Yes.
great. That's nice. That's nice, Monica. So don't worry, don't take any tensions. I have written certain sentences over here, which I just want you to go through that. Just open your chat box.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. In the first sentence, you have said, I haven't able to speak. Instead of that, I am not able to speak.
Okay.
Instead of I haven't able to speak, I am not able to speak.
Okay.
Again, I haven't not enough subscriber. I am not having enough subscriber.
I am not
Haven't,
having.
I haven't, no, I am not having enough subscribers.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Then I interest in cooking. I was interested in cooking.
Okay.
Whenever the things have already happened in the past, okay, you basically say it in the past tense, simple past tense.
Okay.
Was or were, right?
Yes.
Then you said I'm the big daughter-in-law. Instead of that, I am the elder daughter-in-law.
Okay.
It's not big and small. It's elder and younger. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then it just suited me. Yellow color suits me, not suited.
Okay.
Yellow color suits me.
Suits.
Okay.
Yes.
And can you read this word SCARCITY?
Scarcity.
Scarcity. It's not scar.
Okay.
Scarcity.
Scarcity.
Scarcity. Yes.
Scarcity.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah. Okay. So now, as you told me, Monica, that ma'am, I don't like reading. Now, from today itself, read at least 2 pages, but daily.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
how will you read that? Read at least one paragraph aloud. Aloud means you should be able to hear your voice so that you get good exercise as far as your joy is concerned. Okay, your brain will come to know that Monica is speaking this English language every day. So it will help you to accelerate your learning process.
Yes.
So just do that. Okay.
Yes.
Second thing, you have your children with you. Try to speak with them, with your students also in English language. Simple, simple sentences in English.
Yes.
This will really help you to speed up your fluency. Third important thing that you can do is watch some good videos which is available on the YouTube channel. Try to see how are they speaking, what is their body language, okay, what is the new vocabulary that they are using, and try to mimic them. Do the shadowing technique. Okay.
Yes.
1 minute, dear. 1 minute. 1 minute. There's
Yes.
a parcel of mine. Just 1 minute.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, dear. So sorry. So it is, as I told you, whenever you watch any video, okay, any podcast you can take, or any English conversation video you can take, let them speak one sentence. You listen to them properly. Then pause that video and try to enact the way that they are speaking with same pronunciation, same pauses, same body language.
Yes.
This will really help you to enhance your pronunciation, fluency, body language, intonation, voice modulation. All the parameters will be taken into consideration. This is actually called shadowing technique, copying the way they are speaking. So you can
Yes.
do that. And no need to do all that one time. I know you are very busy. You are a home tutor, living in a joint family. You have many other responsibilities, right? As
Yes.
a mother too. So whenever you have time, not some fixed time, that ma'am, this is my time where I will just be doing my reading practice. So today just do the reading. Talking with your children will be the everyday practice.
Yes.
Tomorrow you can do the shadowing technique. Day after tomorrow you can take any, I would say, tongue twister.
Yes, yes.
Take one tongue twister and try to speak that at least for 10 to 15 times.
Yes,
That's
I will try. I
so
tried.
this will
really,
again
ma'am.
give you the good
Yes,
experience.
yes, yes. Tongue twister is
You tried?
enhance.
Very
Yeah,
good.
enhance our clean our tongue to and prepare our mouth also to how to speak
Yes.
others. Yeah, yeah. This is a good
Very
technique
true.
of
Very true.
yes. Yeah,
That is
I
a good
try.
technique.
I
So just
try
try
my
it this
best.
way. Okay, no
Yes,
problem, no
yes.
problem. Okay, dear. So just do these things. Just make a weekly schedule that this will be the things which I'll be doing. At least start with 10 minutes. Give 10 minutes to yourself besides attending 25-minute session. You yourself will see that yes, I'm really improving myself.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Definitely, I will do, ma'am.
Great. Fantastic,
Yes, yes.
fantastic. It was great meeting you, Monica, and hope to see you soon. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye
Ma'am,
bye.
is it a recorded session, huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
You will be getting the recording very soon. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye
Okay.
bye. Bye.
Bye.